This cable in and we power it up on the ignition switch.
Daryl Kozak's job requires him to install everything from car stereos to car starters.
Generally, when I put things in vehicles, it makes the people happy.
There's also another part of the job that's not enjoyable at all.
They understand that they got themselves into this, and they don't generally give me a hard time or anything like that.
State law requires anyone convicted of drunk driving to have an ignition interlock device installed in their vehicle.
They're all walks of life. They're men, women, young, old.
They require a person to pass an alcohol screening before they can start their car.
The prompt will come up, it'll tell you to blow, and then you just simply blow into it.
Violations are recorded by the device, and to make sure the correct person is using it,
they take your photograph every time you blow into it, so it needs to see the driver in the driver's seat.
Rochester City Court Judge Letitia Astacio was convicted of driving drunk back in February following an accident on Route 490. Astacio appeared before a judge Tuesday after prosecutors say she had 2 ignition interlock device violations, including one where her blood alcohol level was .067, over the legal limit for impairment.
Anytime there's a violation, either with some alcohol or a lockout, it gets uploaded and sent to the probation department.
Veteran DWI lawyer Todd Wisner says in New York State, a .05 blood alcohol level constitutes a serious violation. But some judges in some counties have a zero-tolerance policy. Prosecutors say Astacio was under orders not to drink.
So what the judges have gone to is listen, as a part of the sentence, you can't have any alcohol in your system. So if it shows any alcohol in your system, then it results in a violation.
Astacio's attorney told us that the judge's daughter blew into the ignition interlock and then drove the car herself. Legal experts tell us that in and of itself does not constitute a violation. But Wisner says it's not advisable because a defendant could still be on the hook for violations or other issues, even if others are driving.
I wouldn't advise anyone else to be driving the car. It looks like you're trying to circumvent the process.
And most people take responsibility for it. They're pretty good about it.
They're part of the punishment, a constant, cumbersome reminder.
Some people are embarrassed.
Ignition interlocks teach hard lessons, the result of poor choices.
They just want to get through it, and they just want to move on with their lives. And you know, most people that do get it taken out, those days are pretty good for those people. It does. It stops drunk driving.
Seth Voorhees, Time Warner Cable News.